wabarakatuh. My name is Aldo Purwanto. I want to tell you about description my idola. His name is Mr. Jackie Chan. He was born in Hong Kong on 7 April 1954. So he is 63 years old. He is middle-aged. He is tall and stocky. He has short, straight black hair and narrow brown eyes. He has pointed nose, square face, and thin lips. I have many VT is Mr. Jackie Chan. Look at this. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, my name is Eric Prabowo. I'm college student at ITBU. I make this video to describe my idol. My idol is Albert Einstein. You know Albert Einstein? Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist. He developed the theory of relativity alongside quantum mechanics. Einstein is best known in popular culture for his mass energy equivalent formula. You know, E equals mc squared. He received the 1921 Nobel Prize in Physics for his service to theoretical physics and especially for his discovery of the law photoelectric effect, a pivotal step in the evolution of quantum theory. This is all. That is my idol, Albert Einstein.
Hi friends, let me introduce you. My name is Wajar Cahya Prastya. I live in Bekasi. Here I will tell of a father figure that we need an example of a B.J. Habibie. I think B.J. Habibie is one role model and source of pride for many Indonesian people and also the President of the Third Republic Indonesia. I was impressed to him for his achievement, financially finally able to release of his ideals. With a few examples of a character from me. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Ibnu Graha. I want to tell you about my favorite artist. He is Denny Cagur. He was born in Bandung on 29 August 1977, which is now 39 years old. He is a comedian, presenter, and actor. He is also a singer and he also has a
yang di kiri, yang di kanan, yang di atas, yang di bawah, yang lagi nangkring di pohon, mari kita bergoyang. Hey, goyang-goyang Bang Jali, semuanya ikut bernyanyi.
Hello, good night. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mat Nodi, major machine engineering in Institute Technology of Budi Utomo. I must have already know why I am passing your past here. Well, I'm here to fulfill the text of subject English. Here is my take on the theme of description about Dr. Zakir Naik, or otherwise called Zakir Abdul Qadir Naik. He born 1965. He aged 51 years old. He is a da'i, public speaker and international speaker Muslim of India. He is also the author of Think About Islam and Comparative Religion Studies. By profession, he is a medical doctor, earned the title of Bachelor of Medicine and Surgery, or MBBS, for Maharashtra. But since 1991, he had become a Muslim speaker and scholarship involved in the propagation of Islam and comparative religion. He said the aim is, among other things, to talk about Islam to non-Muslims and clarify all kinds of misconceptions about religion of Islam itself, particularly labeling terrorists and radicalism. He is also a speaker on Islam as a religion that fits the fact is a religion that makes sense and fit with modern scientific knowledge to be able to convince non-Muslims about the religion of truth. Zakir Naik is the founder and president of Islam Research Foundation (ERV), a non-profit organization specialized in the study of Islam. That Islam and comparative religion also has a broadcast network and TV channel, Peace TV from Mumbai, India. So really no control over how it is perceived very smart. So motivation and not this public speaking. Sorry if there any wrong any words. Thanks. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi my friend, my name is Maulana Agus Supriyanto. I am for faculty ITBU Mechanical Engineering. I want to tell my favorite artist, favorit Sutrisna atau disebut dengan Sule. My favorite artist komedian Sutrisna atau disebut dengan Sule. He is a famous comedian in Indonesia. Sule was born on in November in Bandung, West Java. He speaks Sundance. He speaks Sundance fluently. He also learns Javanese. Sule is very equi. His hair is long, white, brown, and yellow color. He has an oval, flat nose, and slanting eyes. People call Sule and ridiculous man and full jokers. He is very funny. His joke makes everyone smiling, even believe liquid. Sule plans in several TV show. Suk and Opera Vanzapa atau disebut dengan OPJ. Dan juga awas ada Sule and Pas Mantap and Song Sule. He also can sing very well. He has very famous song and tell Susi atau disebut dan suami takut istri. Thank you very much. Terima kasih.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Uje. My age is 21 years. I study at the Institute Teknologi Budi Utomo. I am the first child of 3 siblings. My hobby is playing soccer, and I am very idolize the figure of a Frank Lampard. He is midfielder and he is one of English football legends, and his football career ends at the age of 38. And right now he wants to become a football coach for an academic club in the English. Thanks. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.